Om 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 Soham Soham Shivoham Soham 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 Shivoham Soham. I am neither mind nor body, immortal self I am. I am witness three states, I am knowledge absolute. I am fragrance in jasmine, beauty in flowers. I am coolness in the eyes, flavor in coffee. I am greenness in the leaves, hue in the rainbow. I am taste buds in the tongue, essence in orange. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. I am mind of all minds, prana of all pranas. I am soul of all souls, self of all self. I am Atman in all beings, apple of all eyes. I am son of all sons, the light of all light. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. I am Pranava of all Vedas, Brahman of Upanishad. I am silence in the forest, thunder in all clouds. I am velocity in electrons, motion in science. I am effulgence in the sun, wave in the radio. I am support of this world, soul of this body. I am ear of all ears, eye of all eyes. I am time, space, zip, and the controller. I am God of God Guru, and the director. Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. I am melody in music, in rag and ragini. I am sound in ether, Shakti in Virya. I am power in electricity, intelligence in mind. I am brilliance in fire, silence in the city. I am reason in philosophy, will in jnanis. I am prem in bhaktas, samadhi in yogis. I am that I am, I am that I am. I am that I am, I am that I am. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama. Krishna Bhagavan ki jai. Om